Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. Rygin speaks for the first time since being shot. Fans and well-wishers were moved by this post on his social media page where the DJ gave a heartfelt thank you to his support team. King says he will live through this ordeal and can take the next step that comes along with the Most High by his side. King also sent a special thank you to the hospital staff and ministers Dr. Horace Chang, Dr. Christopher Tufton and Olivia Grange for their support. Rygin King is said to have had another successful surgery yesterday and assures his gratitude as he continues to recover. The Tough DJ is currently at an undisclosed location following failed attempts at his life since being in hospital. Dancehall artist Bling Dog has dropped his latest single, God is Amazing. The DJ, known for his dancehall tracks, switched things up Bling Dog is gearing up to release his 2020 album and revealed that he is working with Damien Jr. Gong Marley on 2 of the songs.
Watch out, this is Ricky Rudy aka Bling Dog telling you about my new single, God is Amazing, of my upcoming album Elevate. Album features like Popcorn, Busy Signal, Romy and Virgo, Christopher Martin, Tanya Stevens, you don't know, Morgan Heritage, and Bounty Killer. So, you don't know. It's something to look forward to. Junior Gang produced 2 tracks on the album as well. So, it's a nice vibe. So just look out for that coming soon.
Bling Dog is known for songs like Kiss My Baby Good Morning and popular dance songs like Crach and Ajibugs. Now, Beenie Man has been getting backlash since he teased a photo from the visuals of his latest single, Put Her in the Middle. The controversial photo sees Beenie Man posing with a very light-skinned video vixen. Scores of fans took to the DJ's page to question his choice of female, with many claiming that the industry continues to glorify lighter-skinned females. In response, Beenie Man told E-Prime that the music video comprises many different shades of melanin. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.